K, 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 K. Hello, my Foodie Phonics friends. I hope you're all happy and well and ready for our next cooking adventure. The letter that we're learning about today is called letter K. Big letter K for names like Kate, Kai or Kevin, and small letter K for words like koala, kangaroo or kookaburra. Have you heard the kookaburra laugh? Would you like to hear the kookaburra laugh? It goes a little something like this. Coo-coo-coo-coo-coo-coo-coo-coo. That's the kookaburra laugh. K for kookaburra. Would you like to try the kookaburra laugh with me? Are you ready? Coo-coo-coo-coo-coo-coo-coo-coo. The kookaburra laugh. K. Did you hear the K sound? Let's sing our K sound. Are you ready? K, 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 K. And there you have it. Letter K makes a K sound in words. Shall we have a look on my table to see what else I have that starts with a K sound? I'll just put our letter K back on the table, put the big one down and take a different small one. Right in the front over here I have a teeny tiny kitten. I'll bring him closer so you can see. There he is. K for kitten from letter K. On my laptop you can see Kung Fu. Now that's his name, so we're going to use the big letter K. K for Kung Fu Panda. In a minute we'll have a listen to what Kung Fu Panda has to say about our special ingredients for what we're going to cook today. Would you like to know what we're going to cook? Let me show you. It is Kaleslaw. K for Kaleslaw. But it's not just any Kaleslaw, it's Kung Fu Kaleslaw. K for Kung Fu, K for Kaleslaw. That's what we're going to make. But I'd like to show you this picture in this book first. Over here, we have a picture of koalas. K for koalas. Should we count how many koalas are on this page? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Would you like a closer look? 4 koalas. Right, let's have a look at what else I have on my table that starts with a K sound. I have another picture in a different book, and this picture is kites. K for kites. Perhaps you've seen kites flying in the sky on a windy day. I'll let you have a closer look. K for kites. Okay, and the last picture that I would like to show you before we make our Kung Fu Kaleslaw is a picture of a kitchen where all the cooking happens. K for kitchen. Okay, I think you're ready to make Kung Fu Kaleslaw. I'll just put our letter K down over there. I might move the kitchen book onto my table to make more space for our cooking. But first, we're going to have a listen to what Poe has to say about the secret ingredient. Are you ready?
The secret ingredient of my secret ingredient soup. Oh. The secret ingredient is nothing. Huh? You heard me. Nothing. There is no secret ingredient. Wait. It's just plain old noodle soup. You don't add some kind of special sauce or something? Don't have to. To make something special, you just have to believe it's special.
Did you hear him? To make something special, you just have to believe it's special. So I wonder what you're going to put in your Kung Fu Kaleslaw to make it special. I believe you'll put in something really special. Would you like to see what I'm going to put in my Kung Fu Kaleslaw? Let's begin. Little kitten should come over here. I can close my laptop, unplug it, and make some more space for cooking. Just put it down on the table. Okie dokes. First things first, I have to wash my hands. I don't have a tap and basin in my classroom, So I'm going to use my disinfectant wipes. Put them on my table too. There we go. Now my hands are nice and clean and ready for cooking. Put the dirty wet wipe in my bin. And I'm ready to make our Kung Fu Kaleslaw. I'll show you the lovely green leaves. There they are. The green leaves are the kale. And then there are slices of carrot and beetroot in them as well. But to make my Kung Fu special, I'm going to add some olives. Perhaps you'd like to add some tomato to your Kaleslaw, or perhaps chickpeas, or even garlic. You can add anything that you would like to make your Kung Fu Kaleslaw special. The other thing that I'm going to add is capsicum. But first, I have to chop them into slices like Kung Fu. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to have to cut out the core of my capsicum around there. I'm going to use my blunt knife. If you're helping Mummy or Daddy in the kitchen, please be sure to ask for their help. Let me show you what the core of the capsicum looks like. Oh, this one came out rather nice and easily. There we go. The core of the capsicum has some seeds in it. You can grow your own capsicum plant using these seeds. I did that and I've got lots of capsicum growing on my plant. Now that I've taken the core out, my capsicum is hollow and it's ready for Kung Fu slices. Okay, have a listen how nice and fresh and crispy it is when I cut the slices. Did you hear the nice crunchy sound? Lovely. Okay, 1 slice, 2 slices, and 3 slices. There I have my 3 slices of capsicum, and now I'm going to chop them into Kung Fu Kaleslaw. Ready? 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 and 4. Now I've got some delicious crispy bites of capsicum for my Kaleslaw. I'll tip them in. And now I'd like to Kung Fu chop my olives into slices. My olives are round at the moment. I'm going to chop them into slices. I'll show you when they're ready. Just in half. 1, 2, and 3 olives. That'll be plenty for my Kaleslaw. Here they are, chopped into their neat little slices. Ready for my Kung Fu Kaleslaw. Tip them in. And I have a nice fork over here to give my Kung Fu Kaleslaw a stir. And there it is. Doesn't that look delicious with my capsicum and olives and Kaleslaw? Shall I have a little taste? Got some capsicum, got some olives, and I've got some Kaleslaw all together on my fork. Oh, there we are. Yummy. My Kung Fu Kaleslaw was delicious, fresh and crispy. And I can't wait to hear what you're going to put in your special Kung Fu Kaleslaw.